Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. In this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Google Safe Search option. So if you turn on Google Safe Search option, nothing bad will come in your search bar. So you can follow my steps. First of all, you need to access your Chrome browser. Just click on Chrome. Now I will do a search. I'm gonna search it. Then click on three dot line at the top right hand. Click on. Then click on setting. Scroll down. Click on most important privacy and security. Click on safe browsing. That is important for you. Click on. Now I will select standard protection for safe browsing. Click on and then go back and click on use secure DNS. Click on. Next you can find here choose another provider. Just click on it. Then click on customized and you can just select here clear browsing. Click on. Now if you search anything on Google, it will be safe. So if you new here in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Thanks for watching my